Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's tap on the wallpaper. And here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We've got live wallpapers, Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and pre-installed wallpapers, static wallpapers. So let me pick something from those options. And as you can see here, we've got my photos, again your wallpaper, your gallery, and on-device wallpapers. After tapping on this option, we will be transferred to the pre-installed options from which we can choose. And basically, in order to check the preview, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one. And if you like this option, simply tap on Set Wallpaper. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.